Hi everyone, this is Rachel and today I am super excited because I am sharing with you an unboxing video for my first design team kit for the scrapbookingstore.com design team. Yay! Okay, so scrapbookingstore.com is a really economically friendly kit club where every month they have a kit made up for one line and you get several pieces of paper and either a sticker sheet or a die cut package. So it's super friendly. It's great if you're someone like me who has a lot of stuff in their stash, so you can add stuff from your stash to fill out. It's also really great for people who are just starting off. I find working from kits or working within a collection line really helps out the ladies and gentlemen who are just starting off. It makes it easier for design choices, make sure everything coordinates well, and it's a great way to get a bunch of things that are all going to go together for one price. Now, if you're someone who wants a little bit more to work with, they do have an upgrade you can add every month, and those are extra embellishments. So I'm going to start off with what comes in the kit, and this month we are getting an entire collection kit, so that is super awesome. I will say, not everything they use is the latest and greatest brand new. Totally good with that. I love working with stuff that's a little bit older that I missed the first time around because there's so much out there. There's no way you're going to be able to get it all. So what I'm going to do is it's packaged in plastic. So I'm going to take it out of the plastic so you don't get the glare. And then we're going to go through the collection kit. All right, be right back. All right, so for November 2019, we are going to be working with the Celebrate Autumn line from Echo Park Paper, designed by Lori Whitlock. So this is the one that came out last fall, and it is so pretty. I love that they've started adding the pops of aqua and teal to the fall things, because it just brings, you know, when I think of fall, I think of the warm colors, but I also think of the cool temperatures. And I think by bringing in that color, it really helps meld all your fall photos. Because I don't know about you, but when I take fall photos of the outdoors, a lot of times the sky is this brilliant blue, but there's no blue in any of the fall lines. So I thought that was a really great color add to this fall themed line. All right. Let's stop nattering and start going through everything. So in this collection kit, you get 12 by 12 double-sided papers and the 12 by 12 element stickers. So first up, we have one called 4 by 4 journaling cards, and this side has a really fun plaid on it. And then shockingly enough, the other side are 4 by 4 cards. And these are great for journaling, for fussy cutting, and then using as embellishments. Making a grid design is always a really great thing. So I always find cut aparts as well as like 3 by 4 and 4 by 6 and 4 by 4 cards to be really useful in scrapbooking. Next up, we have the 4 by 6 journaling cards, and this side has this very cute floral. And then, shockingly enough, there are 4 by 6 cards on the other side. Super cute. I love that hedgehog. Very, very cute. Next up, we have 3 by 4 journaling cards, and on the front side, we have this tone-on-tone leaf pattern. So there's all different types of leaves. And then 3 by 4 cards. Oh, they are so, 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 so cute. I love the little animals. They are just darling. Next up, we have fall owls. And on this side, we've got orange and blue leaves. And the B side are a bunch of different owls on a burlap background. Next up, we have autumn floral. And on this side, we have tone-on-tone leaves. And the other side, oh, is this really pretty harvesty floral. That's super cute. All right, up next we have colored leaves, and we have this bisected apple on one side, and then multicolored leaves on a background of burlap on the other. And next we have in this goldenrod yellow color, tone on tone of acorns and leaves and just little detritus of fall. And then the B side is this wonderful multicolor leaf pattern. Very cute. We then have Autumn Friends, which has a really fun plaid on one side. And then the other side is a bunch of the little woodland creatures as well as some fall words on it. There we go with that one. We then have Pumpkin Farm, which we have this multicolor, multi-size stripe. I was going to call it a micro stripe. It's not really micro. It's just kind of like smallish. And the other side of that has a whole bunch of different patterned pumpkins, along with some birdies and some Pumpkin Farm signs. All right, we also have Fall is Fun, and so we do have another piece of paper. So this one is a burlap, so this would be really great as a background piece. And the other side of this is a bunch of different fall words and some acorns and things like that. Very, very, very cute. Let me double check. Nope. We have 2 more pieces of paper. Super fun. Okay. We have Autumn Acorns, which has another plaid, this one on an angle. And then we have a bunch of acorns in leaves, but with a dark background. So it gives a completely different look. So that's super fun. And our final piece of paper is called Thankful Flowers. And we have another plaid. And then we have these flowers in buckets and mason jars on a background of burlap. So that is super pretty. Okay, then we have the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. And so we have some border stickers. We have a plaid one and a leaf. We've got some more of the woodland creatures, a lot of the fall words. We also have the ubiquitous pickup truck carrying pumpkins and some flower pieces, both on the burlap and then also with white background. So it's a really great mix of icon stickers, word stickers, and border stickers to be able to use on our layouts. So that is what comes in the main kit from scrapbookingstore.com. As I said before, you can add an add-on to it that is filled with embellishments, and it's still really reasonably priced. I thought it was a fantastic bargain for what you got. So first up in the upgrade are these die cut feathers from Studio Calico, and they are really cute. I was gonna say, it's just aqua and red and green and yellow and peach, and they're a really good size. They're not so tiny that they're hard to tell what they are, but they're not so large that they're hard to use. So that is the first item. All right, the next item in the upgrade are the 2 sets of these stickers. You get the butterflies and you get the birds. And I took one package out so you could see that they are dimensional. So some of them are flat, and then some of them have an extra layer of dimension to them. They are from Studio 112, which I guess is a section of K & Company. So once again, not brand new items, but I love them. They are so cute, and it's funny how things come around again, because I think they're going to be super duper useful. Okay, we also got from the Twilight collection by One Canoe 2 these acrylic stamps. These are layered florals and layered leaves, and then you also get a couple of hearts, the word love, and the word blessed. So these are going to be super fun to use. I really can't wait to try out those on some of my layouts. And I might even make some cards. So I will tell you, scrapbookingstore.com also has several card makers on their design team. So I will be making cards in addition to scrapbooking pages. I don't normally videotape my cards, but they will be up on their blog. So look forward to that as well. And then the final thing in the upgrade are these super duper gorgeous Jolie's Boutique dimensional butterflies that are textured, and they also have jewels in the center. And they're, like I said, they're from Jolie's Boutique. I'm looking for who makes them. It's literally right at the top here. And I think these are stunning, and I cannot wait to work with these. So here we have the upgrade for the scrapbookingstore.com kit. Scrapbooking kit is what I meant to say. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I am going to have a video up pretty soon because I'm in week 1 of when I release my product for this design team. So look for that on the Facebook page, as well as my YouTube channel, as well as on scrapbookingstore.com blog. I will put the links to everything down below. If you think this is something you're interested in, there is a link to sign up for the kit below. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission on that, but you don't pay any more. So if you would like to do that, I would really appreciate that. And if you have any questions whatsoever, just drop it in the comment box below and I will get back to you. Thank you guys so much for joining me here. I look forward to sharing my first project with you. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, bye.